Board is still yours, Adam. Back to you.
I'll take preventative maintenance for 800.
This company manages your network 24/7 to identify issues and address them before they become problems.
Who is Real IT Solutions?
Correct.
Cybersecurity for 600.
Oh no, it's crypto. They're the team you call if you see a pop-up telling you to pay someone in Bitcoin to decrypt your data.
Who is Real IT Solutions?
Correct again.
Disaster recovery for 800.
When a leaky roof destroyed an entire rack of servers, this company got things up and running the same day.
Who is Real IT Solutions?
Correct again. This company has a 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Who is Real IT Solutions?
That's correct.
Who is Real IT Solutions?
Correct again.
Who is Real IT Solutions?
You're on a roll, Adam. Correct.
Who is Real IT Solutions?
Correct. You've won the entire board. Because all of the answers to your IT service needs in West Michigan is Real IT Solutions. Don't jeopardize your business. Hire Real IT Solutions today.
This episode brought to you by Real IT Hot Sauce, the realest heat you just can't beat. Contact Real IT Solutions to get your free bottle today.